this is Shelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you the MAC Lucky Star 4-piece lipsticks review. So this one I bought it from Macy's. So in this Christmas they have sell this kind of like Lucky Star lipstick. So here you can get this little pouch with three different color of lipsticks. So they have like one neutral and on other like a very like vibrant color. So I choose the little neutral one, so I'll show you what are the lipsticks inside it and how it looks. So in case you are planning to buy, you can have an idea how the lipsticks look. So let's see what are the lipsticks inside it. So this is the lipstick, like 3-piece. This is like in the shade of neutrals, all are like neutral colors. If you want to go for the red or fuchsia, then you can try the vibrant one. So let's see. So this is the packaging. Look at the packaging, looks so pretty. It's like the glitter on this pouch just looks so pretty with this star. So with the lucky stars like this way. And see the lipsticks. What are the lipsticks? Oh my god, where are the oh wow, oh wow, looks how beautiful the lipsticks looks. It's so pretty. The lipsticks looks like really pretty lipsticks. I really love these lipsticks. So these are the 3 lipsticks. So I'll try one by one and show you how the lipsticks looks. So okay, I'll start with, so these are like 3 lipstick. One is A Star in Your Name, and one is like Once Upon the Star, and Jar of Stars, like 3 different colors. So I'll show one by one and see. If you want to remove your makeup, this you can try this micellar water. This is really great product. First we'll try Jar of Stars. Okay, so this is Jar of Stars. I'll show you how the lipstick looks. This is somehow like a satin finish, and the lipstick looks like this. You know, this is like a matte finish. You can see. So this is like a really great pink with neutral shade. This is, it looks with the lip liner. So this one is, so next we'll go to A Star in Your Name. This is how the lipstick looks. Star in Your Name. This is the lipstick. It's like a satin finish. It's like a really pretty nice pink color, light pink. So this one is Star in Your Name. So this one is Star in Your Name. Star in Your Name. I don't think this looks good in my skin. It will completely wash out my face, so this is not a lipstick for me. A Star in Your. Let's go to the third one. So this is Once Upon the Star. This is the third one. First one, Once Upon the Star. Once Upon the Star. So this is how the lipstick looks. This is like pretty much this color, Once Upon a Star, this color. This is like really my skin tone. So this is how the lipsticks look, like a very natural color. So definitely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.